Know, Jacob, that your descendants shall be exiles in a strange land, and they will afflict them with slavery and inflict wounds on them every day. But the Lord will judge the people for whom they slave. And when the king arises, judgment too will come upon that place. Within your seed Israel will go out of slavery to the nations who hold them by force. And they will be free from any rebuke of your enemies. For this king is the head of all revenge and retaliation against those who have done evil to you, Israel, and the end of the age. For bitter ones will rise. They will cry out, and the Lord will hear them and accept their plea. And the mighty one will repent because of their sufferings. For the angels and archangels will hurl bolts of lightning before them for the sake of the salvation of your tribe.